What's up, guys? I don't usually use this picture of my niece as a backdrop, but today I'm here to give you a little preview of some awesome footage we're getting. It's the first ever that we know of flying an anamorphic lens like this on an FPV racing drone. Now, our buddy DrewLittle of DrewLittle FPV has got his own channel. He's our pilot. He's got the camera right now. What I've got right here is one of the lenses from Moondog Optics. Moondog Optics has done a ton of feature films, independent films on iPhones, putting this lens, you may have heard of it, in front of an iPhone. If you've heard of a feature film, independent film being made on an iPhone, chances are it's this lens or another one from Moondog very similar to this in front of an iPhone that did it. Now, we're not flying an iPhone today. We're not doing that for the next month as we prepare even better footage for you. Instead, we're flying the Sony RX0 II. Now, Drew has the camera right now. He just did another flight of some windmills. I'm sure the footage is going to be awesome. That's not what I have for you today. Today is our first test flight with the drone, getting that wider field of view. You'll see the horizontal lens flares made famous by Anamorphics. Once you know about those flares, you're going to see them everywhere in movies. I just watched Interstellar for the second time this weekend. There's lens flares all over the place, horizontal. You'll see those bright lines going across. So keep an eye out for those. But check out this footage. This is just a preview. We're going to have much better stuff coming later. Moondog Optics, the maker of the lens, did want to get something out, so their followers could be aware of what's going on. Like I said, Anamorphic on an FPV drone. First time ever. Check it out.